So what's the price for first place?
Mommy said 20 pesos.
20 pesos. Okay.
And she said the second place is 10 pesos. And the last place is 5 pesos.
Okay. So let's see who will win the 20 pesos. Okay. I mean, you want to win the 20 pesos?
I don't know. I want to be the second one.
Why you don't want to be the first one?
Because we have nothing to do with the money.
A lot you can do with money.
Okay, let's try them again. Let's practice together. Huh?
Gift.
기억.
Gift.
니은.
Gift.
디귿.
Digat.
How about this? I mean,
Real.
real.
Lian.
Real. How about this? I mean,
Mian.
미음. How about this, Kate?
Biu.
비읍. Very good. How about this? 시옷. 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 How about this? 이응. How about this? I mean,
Gift.
J, right? 지읒. 지읒.
Tiet.
치읒.
Kiot.
키읔.
Kiet.
키읔.
Gift.
키읔 is K, okay?
Kiet.
키읔.
Tiet.
티읒.
Gift.
Tiet.
티읒 is for alphabet T, right? 티읒.
Tiet.
피읍.
Piet.
피읍.
Gift.
Piet.
히읗.
Tiet.
히읗. Okay? Follow again. Faster this time. 기억.
Giok.
니은.
Nian.
디귿.
Diget.
리을.
Riel.
미음.
Mium.
비읍.
Biup.
시옷.
Gift.
이응.
Ium.
지읒.
Jiet.
치읒.
Chiet.
키읔.
Kiet.
티읒.
Tiet.
피읍.
Gift.
Piet.
히읗.
Piet.
Okay, good. So who will go first? Huh? You want to go first?
Mommy, you have time to practice.
Okay, I will ask 6. Okay, Hemin? Huh?
Okay.
Hmm.
I'm ready.
I will ask 6 questions. Okay? Huh? 기억.
Giet.
Hemin first. 기억. 니은.
Nian. I'm not ready.
니은.
I'm not ready.
You're doing it now. 니은. 니은.
Nian.
이응.
Ian.
이응.
Hmm.
이응. NG.
NG.
이응.
Nian. Beep.
미음.
Mim.
미음.
Hmm.
And 지읒.
Jiet.
J. 지읒.
Hmm.
J. 지읒.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
지읒.
One more.
Are you sure that's 지읒? Okay. And 티읒.
Tiet.
티읒. T. 티읒. No. 디귿. 디귿.
Diget.
디귿. D. 디귿. Okay. The way you write is some of them are wrong. Only this I said the 시옷. 지읒. 지읒. You remember 지읒? But you what did you write here? What is it? See here.
Biet.
You write biu, right?
Yeah.
But then they ask for 지읒. 지읒 is this, okay?
Okay.
So you one is wrong, okay?
Only one.
Only one is wrong.
Yay! 5 out of 6.
Okay, let's
5
do
or
together.
6.
Yay!
Let's do together now. Dali.
I'm looking. Am I done?
Oh, you're done. Yeah, wait for mommy and her, 언니, okay? Who's next?
Us will go do together.
Huh?
We'll do together.
You do together? Okay.
Don't be too much. Wait, let me check one more time. Okay. Will you want a picture of my
No,
phone?
I'm just
I will start close. Okay. Real.
Leo.
Real. L. Real.
L.
Uh.
L.
Next, Daddy.
Wait, no.
Oh, goodness.
Leo.
Next.
Leo.
Something looks like snake. No?
Snake.
Digit and neon.
Next.
No, not digit and neon.
Next, Daddy.
Something that looks like snake.
Daddy, next.
Okay, next.
Guess this.
This is real. Show me. This is real. Okay. Next is beep.
Beep.
B. Beep.
Beep. Beep. Beep. Beep. Beep. Come on, Annie, you got it. And the
Done.
Yeah.
The next Ian.
Ian.
Easy, right? Ian.
I would cheer it.
And cute.
Cute.
K. Cute.
Cute. Cute. Don't follow mommy. And mommy don't follow cute. Done. I think those are wrong. Wrong.
Me?
And two left.
I think two are wrong.
Shoot.
Cute.
Shoot is easy, right? Shoot.
Go.
S.
A.
Shoot.
Cute. I hope I'm number two.
S.
And then mommy or Kate will be number one. Cute. Or two. Cute.
Number 6.
Cute. Go.
The first one you write is shoot actually.
Oh. I knew.
Done?
What was the first one?
Real.
Leo. Need to think what's Leo.
Last. I'll count 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, last. Peep. Peep. Peep.
I know.
I'm here waiting.
Why?
I forgot.
Don't cry. Looks like you're crying. I don't know. Look at your face. It looks like you're crying. Poor mommy. Crying. Shiot.
What's wrong with
Liot.
Okay,
I
done?
want Liot.
Let's try.
Number 5 is newt.
Number 5. Shoot.
Number 6 is newt.
Number 6. Peep. Peep.
Peep.
Peep.
That's simply correct.
Let's see.
PP, I know P.
I'm so nervous.
Mommy. Real. Peep. Wrong. Ian. Cute. Wrong.
I knew it too wrong.
Shoot. Wrong.
What did
언니 쪽으로. 오빠이 언니 쪽으로.
Poor mommy. This is cute.
어?
This is young.
Shoot.
It's like
Wrong. This is real.
Cute.
Peep.
I remember cute.
Stick. Dig.
I remember
Peep.
cute, no?
Ian. Correct. Cute.
I
Correct.
think I'm number 1.
Shoot.
I don't
Wrong.
wanna be number
Cute.
I'm
Correct.
number 2. Am I number 1?
Oh, I mean you're number 1. You got the 20 peso. Huh?
I got 5 peso.
10 peso.
Oh, really?
Uh.
Oh, 10.
You're the winner, Kemin.
Yay!